Hello, this is channel Learn Log and we are going to discuss mathematics. In mathematics, the topic I am going to discuss is geometry. I am going to start from the very basic that will be useful for each grade like grade 7, grade 8 and especially it will be useful for Cambridge IGCSE, Edexcel IGCSE and Edexcel GCSE and AQA. So let's start it. So in geometry, the topic I am going to first discuss is complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Obviously, most of the student might be aware of it. First thing that complementary angles are those that angles in a right angle add up to give 90 degree. I will be writing each and everything on board so that it feels to you like a class environment. So angles in a right angle add up to give 90 degree. Add up to give 90 degree. How is it like? So when any two lines are perpendicular to each other, we know that they are at 90 degree. So here they are at 90 degree. But sometimes what happens, they can give you question like, they will ask you if one of the angle is 45 degree, then what's the angle X? So it's so easy. Remember that any angles in a right angle add up to give us 90 degree. So X plus 45 degree will add up to give us 90 degree. So X is equal to 90 minus 45. It will give us 45 degree. So it means our angle X is 45 degree. So the formula to find the complementary angle is X plus Y is equal to 90. Here you can use any of the variable. It's not necessary to use X and Y. You can use A and B also. Next thing, it's not necessary they will ask you two angles. They can ask you three angles also. Suppose two lines are perpendicular to each other. And there are further two lines. So they might give you two angles like 45 degree and 20 degree. Now they will ask you what is the angle Y. So we know that all angles in a right angle add up to give us 90 degree. So what we will do, Y plus 20 degree plus 45 degree will add up to give us 90 degree. So Y is equal to 65 degree is equal to 90 degree. Y is equal to 90 degree minus 65 degree. So what would be the answer? 25 degree. So angle Y is 25 degree. I hope you understand it. Now next move on to the supplementary angles. We will do exercise on this question also, means we will solve the practice question also so that you can understand it in more detail. Now we will understand what are supplementary angles. Angles on one line always add up to give us 180 degree. They are supplementary angles. So angles on one line always add up to give us 180 degree. So these are supplementary angles. Here you can also write so that you can remember angles on a straight line add up to give 180 degree. So any angles, they can be 2, 3, 4, 5 angles, but all the angles on a straight line at one point will give us 180 degree. Okay. Like suppose, let me give you the example. If a line is drawn like this, it means this is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. So 90 plus 90, it gives us 180 degree. So if they give you one angle over here and they ask you to find angle Y, we know that angle on one line add up to give us 180 degree. So y plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, the question can also be like this. There's a straight line and they will ask you two or more angles like this. So they will ask you this angle is 75, this angle is also you can consider it as 65. So what is the angle Z? So all angles on straight line add up to give us 180 degree. So 75 plus 65 plus angle Z will give us 40 degree. So that's how you find the supplementary angles. Next angle that we are going to understand, angles around a point. Angles around a point always give us 360 degree. Angles around a point. Suppose this is the particular point. Angle around this point will always add up to give us 360 degree. Like suppose these are two lines, or you can consider it as the three lines. So what will happen? All of these angles around one point will add up to give us 360 degree. Okay. Like let's take the example. So this and this. So angle around this point will add up to give us 360 degree. So suppose angle A is 65 and angle B is 100 degree. So what's the angle C? So it's 100 plus 65 degree plus angle C is equal to 360 degree. So 360 degree minus 100 minus 65. So angle C is 195 degrees. Got it? So this is how you are supposed to find out the angles around a point. Next we are going to discuss is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angle means suppose any two straight lines are like this and these angles are said to be vertically opposite. Opposite means the direction of angle is opposite. That's why opposite word is used over here. Vertically means obviously vertical is a straight line. So in this vertically opposite angle, these two angles are equal. Similarly, this and this angle, they are also vertically opposite. So they are equal. So suppose in a question, one angle is given that is suppose 60 degree. And they ask you to find angle C, angle D and angle E. So obviously they are vertically opposite angles. So angle E will also be 60 degree. So how you can find angle C and angle D? So basically we also studied that angles around a point add up to give us 360 degree. So what will happen? 60 plus 60, 120 degree plus C plus D will add up to give us 360 degree. So C plus D is equal to 360 degree minus 120. So 360 minus 120, what will be the answer? It's 240. 240, right? So I will divide this 240 by 2 because these are vertically opposite angle and vertically opposite angles are equal. So 240 degree divided by 2, it's 120 degree and 120 degree. I hope you understand it. Next, we are going to understand is we will do some practice questions so that you understand these things in detail. So let's move on to practice question. In practice question, the first question is basically about the angles on a straight line. So angles on a straight line here, what rule will apply? X plus 112 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 112 degree, you know that it will goes to other side and subtract and it will give us 68 degrees. And these are angles in a right angle. Angles in a right angle always add up to give us 90 degree. So over X will be 40 degrees. Over here, vertically opposite rule applies. 115 degree will be equal to angle Y because vertically opposite angles are equal. So Y will also be 115 degree. And the other rule will also apply over here, that is angles around a point. Angles around a point add up to give us 360 degree. So 360 degree minus 115 minus 115, what answer it would give? It will give us 130 degree, but I will divide 130 degree by 2 because that is the sum of the two angles. So 130 degree divided by 2, it gives us 65 degree. So angle X is 65 degree, and this angle they didn't ask to find, but I'm finding it at 65 degree. Over here, straight vertically opposite angle rule apply, that Y is also 57 degrees. And over here, if you see that X and 121 are on the angles on one line, and angles on one line add up to give us 180 degrees. So 180 minus 121 give us 59 degree. Over here, two rules will apply. One is vertically opposite. So 82 and Y are vertically opposite. So Y is 82 degrees. This is also 82 degrees. So what is X and Y? So 82 degrees is how many times? 4 times. So I will multiply 4 into 82 degrees plus X plus Z is equal to 360 degrees. So 82 into 4 will give us 328 plus X plus Z is equal to 360 degrees. 360 degree minus 328 will give me 32 degree. But I will divide 32 degree by 2. Why? Because X and Z are vertically opposite to each other, and so they will be equal. So divided by 2, so angle X over here is 16 degrees. Over here again, vertically opposite rule applies. For X will be 47 degrees because they are vertically opposite, you can see. Okay. Now here the straight line rule applies. See over here. Here which rule applies? Straight line rule. Got it? So okay. So basically here straight line rule applies. It will be 360 degree. Sorry, 180 degree. So 47 plus 90 and 180 minus 137 will give us 43 degrees over here. And at the bottom again straight line rule will apply. How? 47 degree and angle Z will add up to give us 180 degree. So 180 minus 47 will give us 133 degrees. So angle Z is 133 degree. Got it? If I see the part I also add up to give us 180 degrees. So 142, 180 minus 142 will give me 32 degrees. These are angles in a right angle. So angles in a right angle always add up to give me 90 degree. So it's going to be 71. And these are angles on straight line. That's extremely easy question. That will add up to give us 180 degree. So 180 minus 72 minus 51 will give me 57 degree. I hope you understand it. Okay. You can comment if you want me to explain any topic. I will explain that topic in the video. Also, if any of you wants to have online classes with me, online session with me, you can contact me on the email AANSARASOOL4@gmail.com. There is no space in it. I will be ready to give you online session. Firstly, there will be trial class. After trial class, we will be discussing the further topics. Okay, I hope you understand everything. For I will be uploading each video on physics, biology, chemistry, mathematics, each thing in detail with past paper practice. So if you want to stay updated, subscribe to LearnLog and click the bell icon so that you get the notification first and you can regularly follow the lesson. See you. Bye.